magkano ang kontrata po ng city government dito? Dito po sa kumpanyang ito na nangangasiwa po, itong Prime Integrated Waste Solutions Incorporated.
Well, as far as I know, the contract is every 6 months. Every 6 months. And this is not solely for Cebu City alone. They also cater other LGUs like Consolacion, Mandaue, and Lapu-Lapu. No? So there are around 4 LGUs who use this facility.
Okay.
Insofar as Cebu City is concerned, I heard that it is something around 1,100 per metric ton.
Okay. So,
Metric ton.
yun ho bang trash collection, separate contract dito po sa disposal sa landfill?
Well, the disposal sa landfill, there are three yung collection namin, sir. First is yung mga barangay namin kasi halos ng lahat ng mga barangay namin ay meron tayong mga garbage truck already. And we have personnel paid by the city to do all of this. And then may Department of Public Service naman tayo from the city. And then there is a service provider. We have also a service provider.
Okay.
As to the amount per metric ton for the service provider, I'm not so sure how much that is. But all I know is yung tipping fee ng Prime Waste is around 1,100 per metric.
Per metric ton. Sa loob
And
ng...
then we produce 600 tons a day, sir.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami. Hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa-Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!